Okay, I just want to talk through this amazing work in particular, just because some of the layouts in the book aren't doing the method that I specifically targeted in lessons, okay? Now, I'm doing it for a particular reason, and it's to make it as easy as possible. So this, all of these are absolutely perfect. I'm going to explain why they're perfect, and I need to see you doing exactly the same method as in each of these things here. Okay, here, all of these are absolutely perfect. So, first of all, I love that the equals are all lined up. That's perfect. And look, in every question, the equals all in a lovely straight line. Not that they're sort of zigzagging around the page, all in a lovely straight line. That arrow comes from the equal sign, and then you put the new equal sign underneath. Perfect start. What you must do then is whatever you say here. So to solve an equation, we get x on its own. That's what we've been looking at. To get this plus 4 here, to get rid of that, we take away 4, but to keep this, you think of it like a weighing scales. If I take away a 4 on this side, then I must take away 4 on that side to keep it balanced. So then this line here is correct because that minus 4 has now disappeared because plus 4, take away 4 is gone, but this becomes 42 because 46 take away 4 by here is 42. The next thing that's happened is this thing has been divided by 7. You always divide by the coefficient, the number in front of x. And the reason why you do that is this 7x really means 7 times x, and to do the opposite timesing, you divide. But again, to keep it balanced, you must do it to both sides. So then 42 divided by 7 is 6, so that's why that's correct. This one here, very, very similar idea, but here it was a minus 11, so then we have plus 11 to both sides, and then divided by 8, because 8 was in front of the x this time. These ones here, I'm going to look at number 4 in particular. These ones are different because they have got x's on both sides. So the technique that we looked at doing was we got rid of the smallest x. Now that didn't mean dividing by 3, that meant getting rid of the whole thing. I'm taking away that 3x, but whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. Lining the x's up is a good way to not get confused with x's and numbers. That 3x has got nothing to do with the minus 3, okay? X's deal with the x's, numbers deal with the numbers. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. That minus 3 remains the same. That positive 7 still remains as positive 7, but we don't need to write the plus sign. So this line here, absolutely spot on. Then we are back to exactly what we had in these questions here. Plus 3 to both sides, so 2x equals 10, and then divide by 2 to get the answer, x equals 5. This is what your work should look like if you want it to be outstanding. This work is absolutely perfect.